Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hell with friends. First, let's get set up. The main goal is to accurately bid on how many tricks you will win each round. You can play with 3 to 7 people using a standard 52-card deck. Remember, cards rank from ace as the highest down to 2 as the lowest in every suit. Dealing begins with 10 cards per player, decreasing by 1 card each round. After the deal, players bid on how many tricks they think they will win, from 0 up to the number of cards dealt. The dealer has a special rule. Their bid cannot make the total number of bids equal the number of cards dealt in that round. This ensures someone always fails their bid. Once bids are placed, the player to the dealer's left starts the first trick. Everyone must follow the suit of the lead card if they can. If you don't have that suit, you can play any other card, including a trump card. The highest card of the suit that was led, or the highest trump card, wins the trick. The winner of a trick leads the next one. Scoring is straightforward. If you make your exact bid, you get 1 point for each trick you won, plus an extra 10 points. If you miss your bid, you score 0 points for that round. The game concludes after all rounds are played, and the player with the highest total score wins. Check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers for meal prep, as well as other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.